Having a balanced diet when suffering from arthritis. How body weight affects arthritis. Body weight has a large impact on people suffering from arthritis because it helps in allowing the knees and joints bear the weight of the body. Because arthritis affects the joints, being overweight adds up stress to it. Apart from controlling weight, an arthritis sufferer should also keep a close eye on making sure that his or her blood pressure is within normal levels. A good arthritis diet is one that not only manages the weight, but also makes sure that fat, cholesterol, and sugar is reduced. Guidelines on how to have a healthy diet for people with arthritis. The guidelines below are not only for people who are suffering from arthritis. It can also be used as a basis towards having a healthy diet. Arthritis can be very much avoided in many ways, and one of which is by eating right. But whether you have arthritis or not, a good diet is something that should not be missed. The guidelines are as follows. Ensure a healthy weight. Include a variety of foods in your meals. Avoid eating too much sugar. Avoid eating too much fat and cholesterol. Avoid foods that are salty or high in sodium content. Make sure you eat enough starch and fiber. Drink alcohol in moderation. Until the next video, thank you for watching.